wild animals. One rule: don't freak out. We just got to the Orlando Repticon and it's already wild.
What's the strangest thing here?
Lemur just bit me!
There's two humongous turtles.
Bam! Giant turtles!
Oh look, there's a giant turtle.
Wait, is that a tip jar? Bro's getting paid to walk slow. Take my money, Mr. Turtle. What should we name the tip turtle? Comment below.
Daddy!
Right here. Keep it over the table. Okay? Right there.
Whoa! This one's covered in alien faces. It's like a UFO threw a party on his back.
What do you think, Theodore?
Soft? It feels like holding a giant muscle noodle. So strong, but calm.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And then came the lemurs, and chaos exploded. They're like fuzzy popcorn that never stops moving. He bit me! He actually bit me! Okay, that hurt, but worth it.
Theo, what do you think?
They even bit me.
After all that chaos, I needed something chill. Meet the baby wallaby, tiny kangaroo in pajama mode. He feels like warm velvet. I think he likes me. Now it's Mom turns to play with the lemurs. Do you think they will bite her?
They're not with any like super large stuff on them. Like if you have them running around the house, they just have small. What they're doing, they're looking for that mama.
Are you hungry? That was so awesome.
Next up, the Frog King. Check out that purple crown. Long live the King of Garden Puddles.
A big one. Oh my Lord.
Whoa! Burmese python. Look how huge he is.
Don't scare him. You're ready to bring one home, aren't you?
No. Yes.
Uh-huh. Wow.
How old is she?
She's about 7.
1 year older than Theodore. Uh-huh. Doesn't scare you at all, huh?
No.
He's heavy.
No. My mom holding the snake and she was like freaking out.
That's exactly right.
Y'all done with her?
Yeah. Did I hold one of them?
Those guys will probably try to run away from you because they're still babies, but...
And this baby boa? A hypomorph, pinkish and shiny, like a cinnamon swirl come to life.
What kind of snake is that?
That's a boa constrictor.
Okay.
It gets decent size.
How old?
This one was born April 13th, so it's still a new baby.
How long do they get? One of every.
The females are going to get bigger than the males, anywhere between like 5 and maybe 8 feet usually. Males stay a little bit on the smaller end of that spectrum.
He bit me.
Now, when you hold these guys, you don't want to grab them, just hold them with an open hand. And if he walks, what you can kind of do is give him like a stair step, okay?
Yeah, because a gecko bit me.
Did it hurt?
Yeah. It was actually bleeding.
Well, I give you credit. Give me a pound.
He's got gecko power.
Because even though you got bit, you're still handling a gecko. That's awesome. Good, you did good. Here, you want to turn around?
Turn around?
Gecko crawling on my back? Guess I'm part of the exhibit now.
Hey, Theo, what do we learn about animals? If you're gentle with the animals,
They be gentle with you.
that's right.
And you're doing an incredible job.
Mama, tree chameleon.
Three, you're right.
We're really moving in here.
Look.
Okay, come here.
If you put your arm out straight more, then he can't get to your shirt very quick. Once he gets to your shirt, it's harder to move.
This claws are sharp.
You want to take it off?
Yes.
Okay.
It's squeezing my whole body.
Can we take him off?
This chameleon does not want to let
See how
go.
when I'm grabbing him, he opens his mouth? That's the only time you're going to get bit.
That's a wrap today, guys.
Today, Brave wasn't no fear. It was holding still anyway. Which animal would you hold first? Comment below.
Follow us on more wild adventures.
We held 7 wild animals: snakes, lemurs, wallabies, and even a chameleon that tried to move in with me. Some were soft, some were slimy, and one almost stole my finger. But every single one taught me something. That's the wild path. You don't have to be fearless, just curious enough to take the next step. And while taking that next step, remember,
Stay wild, stay free. Join us on the wild path. Peace.